Hey, it's been a while since I've made a how-to video. Hopefully you remember who I am. Today we're going to be installing a JL audio Garmin system in this StreetTrucks ride. Alright, when you're building a system, let's just go ahead and remove the seat so we can really get in here and work around. We'll pull all the trim that's needed to be pulled so we can lay the wires and make them nice, clean, and tight. Then when the install is all finished, we can come back and put everything in with ease. All right, we're gonna install this Garmin dash cam. Should be a simple install. It takes a USB-C by the camera itself, and then on the other end of this cord, it has a standard USB, which is in just about every new vehicle. If you don't have a new vehicle like this Classic here, it does include this cigarette lighter adapter that comes with 2 USB ports in it, giving you the ability to run the camera and maybe a cell phone or a different device that you want to charge. We're actually going to tag it into an auxiliary port here in the radio, and that's why I'm sitting in the vehicle. I'm going to turn the radio on, make sure it's enough to power the camera and keep it on while it goes through all the different functions like auxiliary, Bluetooth, and AM/FM radio. So let's go ahead and do that. We have it kicking up here, but while that kicks on and powers on, also, if you don't have the cigarette lighter adapter, they offer a OSB port where you can plug it right into the port, and that's pretty much any new car above 2000, I believe, and it will give you power for the camera as well as an extra port for that extra item you want to charge. Really easy install. It's plug and play, as plug and play as it can be, and everything's powering up. I'm going to function through these. Okay, we got Bluetooth, we got auxiliary. Yeah, it looks like it's going to have no interruptions, and this is ready to be actually have the wires laid in, and I can mount it to the front glass. The best part of any install is when you get to enjoy it. One shot, everybody knows the rules. 45 seconds, 20 seconds to mix, and start pouring immediately. Here we go. Now you're gonna mix, and it's gonna start expanding, and as soon as it starts expanding, that's when you're gonna start pouring. Continue mixing the whole time. I don't know if y'all saw that, it just changed colors.